Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find best Samsung discount code. To do this, simply open any of your browser on your PC or laptop. I'm currently using Chrome browser on my laptop. Simply go to Google and search here couponfollow.com and press enter. After this website will open in front of you. As you can see, there are many happy holiday discount and there are many other options. So what you need to do is simply go to this search bar and here just write Samsung and press enter. After that, here you will see many discount codes. As you can see, there are a lot of codes, but some of the codes may require some tasks to be completed so you can get the code. So for this, simply I click on the first one, and when I click on it, as you can see, there is the code which is completely visible. I can see, I can copy, and I can use it. But as you can see, there are many codes here. When I go back, as you can see, many of the codes are visible. So some of them may require a small task to be completed so you can get the code.